G'day folks, it's prime time at Auction One. My name is Justin Rothbart, my brand is Auction One, and we specialise in the sale of property by virtue of public auction. It's a lovely sunny day here today in East London, and we're at number 18 Sandringham Road in Vincent. Beautiful position, excellent situation. The house is nestled in a very small cul-de-sac, so no through traffic on this property. Very close to schools, Vincent Park, nearby Nahoon, and everything central and needed within East London area. The home itself, absolutely spectacular, but definitely needing some TLC. On the exterior, super low maintenance because it's clinker brick right the way around. Not just a standard average home, definitely some architecturally great features within this property. We'll talk about the ceilings inside, which are angled, knotty pine, exposed beams, so not just a simple home, but actually some detail was really put together on the architecture when it comes to this property. Exterior, nice sized garden, loads of paving. We've got an exterior undercover braai, lovely pool that interleads off the lounge of the home, so a nice focal point is this entertainment area behind myself. We've got the entrance hall to the property, very spacious lounge, L-shaped dining room, there's a second TV lounge as well, kitchen with separate scullery to go as well, fitted cupboards. We've got the bedrooms all positioned to one side of the house. There are 3 bedrooms in total, built-in cupboards, a full family bathroom, and an amazing ensuite bathroom as well. The property is being sold due to ill health. It is a genuine sale, and we would love to see you on the 13th of September, 10 AM sharp is when we start at our auction. Have a great day, ladies and gentlemen.